Hi friends, myself Dhaval Patel, authentic astrologer, and my mobile number is 942868329 and Canadian number is 78027871774. Today I will discuss about the some important talks as per the planetary movement of the Rahu and Saturns. And there is the main important role for a 6 month holding. It's a Rahu transit and Saturn transit. At present, you can see that the Saturn transit is in a Sadbisha Nakshatra. It's from 24 November to 30 April 2000. And Rahu transit uh, in a Revati Nakshatra from 28 November to 10th June 2024. And as per this planetary movement, and I found the importance US as well as the Canadian stocks. You can see that the movement of micros. You can see that the 28th November from 374 to from 374 to 9, and then after instrument Texas instruments and incorporated, you can see that the from 155 to 173 after the 27th November. And other stocks, you can see that Marriott International's movement from after 27 November. You can see that 09 to 255. You can see that. And then Salesforce inclusion. You can also see that the inclusions from 256 to 90. And another stock, Atlassian Corporation, you can see that the movement present now is Atlassian Corporations, Atlassian Corporation 195 to 290 240. Stock Caterpillar stocks, you get that 256 2 after the 27 November, 56 to 360. You can see Lululemon Atlantica, you get ends after 61 to, and another stocks is so it's a Honeywell. See, around the 197 to see that you can buy. It's a most favorite. It's a NVIDIA corporations. You can see it after 61 time. And in all these stocks, you can the positions of the month, and majority in cases more than you can earn the minimum 20 to 30% ROI up to the. It's from transit of Rahu transit in a Revati Nakshatra 27 October. You can see that the rally in all stocks, Microsoft, Texas, and Magneto Instrument, Salesforce, visa inclusions, visa inclusion, visa inclusions as well as the Atlassian corporations and Caterpillars, Atlanticas, Honeywells, and Nvidia corporation. These all stocks you can buy now and holding up to 10th June 2020. Because with Rahu, it's the transit from Nakshatra, or as well as the these all stocks as per the listing date, and it's a transit from Rahu Maple, and you can see that now let us talk some Canadian penny stocks, and and it's a most important thing in a US stock. Three stocks are most important for high moment. It's a Texas Instruments, there is Atlassian Corporation and Nvidia Corporation. These stocks is the most important high momentum from up from March to please note it down. And then another stocks, some Canadian stocks. Canadian stocks firstly uh, J- gem by resource. You can see that the movement from some major movements in a from 0.012 0.03 to 0.14. You can see that the more than 10x, and maybe chances to April to June more than 2x to another stocks for a penny Canadian stock. It's a Plantex line. You can see that the went from after 27 November from 0.01 to 0.35. It's a 3x out. And another penny stock, you can see that another penny stock, Seahawks Gold Corporation. And it's a movement. You can see that the after the 27 now 0.06 to 0.20, just a, and uh, another penny stock is name is Wholesale Exploration. And this movement you can see that after 27 the 0.08 0.08 to just a 2.5. And another stock is Sano Gold Corporation. You can see that the move is 0.03, and all above sorry, all these stocks hold from March to 10th June of the as per the Rahu period. And all from this Canadian penny. It's a coastal exploration stock. It's a most momentum stock from March to June. This is my view as per the technical level. You can join our Telegram channel, Global Forex, Global Market Forex US30. You can find the easy technical levels also, and you can and please subscribe for the please subscribe the our Sense of Market YouTube and art and